Good morning, everyone. My name is Arpit Malik, and today I've been given this wonderful opportunity to share my journey in VCC 2021. And I'm going to complete 9.5 years. I'm going to complete 9.5 years this month in this business. Next year, I'm going to be 10 years into the business. So basically, I come from a normal middle class background. My dad used to work for a government, work for government, and my granddad used to be a school teacher, retired as a school principal from a school in a village where my dad also was studying. And normal life, normal middle class background while growing up. And I don't remember anything which I asked from my parents and they have not given to me while growing up. That's what the middle class life is. Their parents do everything whatever is in their limitations or out of their limitation to make sure that the kids or the children get the best education, best life in coming years. So it's the same is with me. My parents work their whole life to ensure that me and my brother get the best education. And a dream of a middle class family is to have maybe one kid as a doctor and one kid as an engineer. So my elder brother, Dr. Apar, who referred me in this business, was a doctor. So I was not given a choice but to start preparing myself to become an engineer, which I did. I did my engineering. And got placed in an IT company in India. And from where I started working, and I was doing decent in my job. In terms of I got a H-1B visa stamped, which is, if you know someone from an IT industry, it takes a lot of time, lot of hard work to get that visa so that you can travel to US, because US is the most best place in IT industry to work in terms of on-site. I got my H-1B stamped within 1.5 years of my job. And if you ask anyone into a job, it was like a dream job. What it was converting it into first 1.5 years of the business. And I was planning to go to US, and I was not thinking about anything else in my life. I was just planning my life, what my life would be if I go to US, how my life would be, how my future would be. I would go there, I would save money, I would travel around US, I would save money, I would complete my higher education, or come back to India, buy a house, and just retire with my job in the same company. That was what I was planning for, and I was not looking for anything at that point of time in my life. But when I was not looking at anything in my life, my elder brother and me and my brother are very close to each other. Very close means I am going to be 34 in few days now, and my elder brother is 5 years elder to me, and we are very close that we can still physically fight. That's how close we are, and we cannot stay together, and we cannot live without each other. That's how close we are. And at that point of time, my elder brother, he got this business from his referee, Dr. Brijesh, AVP Brijesh, okay, and he was a hot zone to AVP Brijesh by just a statement, Apar, I'm doing something and I want you to be part of it. If you can just spend this much money on my name, then let's start. With that curiosity, I started understanding and working on this business. But it was not easy. Starting was very difficult, 1.5 months, giving gyan, everything, okay. And finally, I became part of this business. I started working on this project. I started working in QNet. And when I was working, I thought that, I always thought that this is not something which is very difficult to me. I thought that this is something which I will not do. This is something which is like, there's some class, right? So for me, this was like something which was below my class. Maybe this was my stupidity. Yes, it was my stupidity, obviously, I was not being smart. This was my stupidity. But I used to think that this is something which I can do, but I will not do it because this is below my standards. And if one day I start, then I will, do wonders in the business. But this is how the life is. This is how the business is. This is how the QNet is, especially. The way I started this business, the way my brother got a gyan from me, I started this business. I started getting gyan from my friends and everyone. And for the first 9 months of the business, I was in the business. I didn't make a single check. I made my first check after 9 months. And those 9 months, there was never a single day in my journey. People say that it's making difficult to make money in this business. I say it's not difficult. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. In this business, there is nothing called as impossible. Everything is possible. Maybe it will be a little harder for anyone, or maybe difficult for someone, but it is not impossible. Okay. And first 9 months when I was not making check, there was not even a single day when I was not in association. There was not even a single week when I missed any of my training. There was not even a single week when I missed a VSEL or a system or an event. Whenever there was an event, I was not making money. My salary was not enough for me, to support myself to do this business. I used to take help from my wife, who was my girlfriend then. I used to ask money from her. I used to ask money so that I could attend an event, I could attend a training, or I could, put petrol in my car, because I didn't have enough salary. But my decision, after understanding everything, that my decision to, work on this beautiful opportunity in QNet, I decided that I will not leave it. And for the 9 months, without making even a single penny, I was there everywhere. And finally, my business, my life changed. After 6 months, when I went for my first VCon, which was VCon Jakarta 2012 September, okay? And when I was there, I didn't have money, okay? I didn't have money. I remember a conversation which was happening with me and my brother. And we were so silly and stupid. He was telling me, okay, we don't have money. Let's do one thing. You travel to VCon, you go, you learn, and when you come back, you explain and you help me understand what the VCon was. But finally, ultimately, both of us made to the VCon. And before VCon, there was thought in my head. There was thought in my head that this business is only for the people who are very experienced, okay? For the people who have very good credibility, who have, a very good job in the corporates or experience. The thing which inspired me to be part of this business became my biggest challenge. And I went for the first VCon. This was my biggest challenge, or the biggest thing which was in my head. How will I become successful in this business if all the people who are having good job, good corporates, good experience are only successful in the business? But when I went to VCon Jakarta, I was there, and I saw in service people who are like, who are in service, who are max out, who are successful in the business in their respective countries. And I went there, I saw people who were like 21 years of age, 21, 22. At that time I was 24, 25. I said, there are people who are younger to me and they are in service in this event. That means it was me being a moron or a silly person who was judging myself, who was judging others, who was judging this business, who was judging what it takes to become successful in this business. Then that decision to become successful became more stronger. I came back from VCon. Within 3 months, I made my first check. After coming back, it was not immediate. October, November, December, I made my first check in the business. And after making my first check, I remember within 3 months, I was ready to leave my job. Okay, I was ready to become full-timer in this business. And then thereon, I kept moving forward in the business. One milestone, other milestone, I became max out. Everything happened, whatever is there, the financial plan, everything happened with me. Okay, but it was not easy. Okay, everything is not easy. Challenges will come, and challenges have come even after that in my journey. Okay, in my journey, even after the challenges have come, things have gone up and down. But one thing is the reason for which I started this business always was there with me. Because everyone, the reason why people, we say in this business that no one fails in this business. People only leave this business, okay? And from the day I started till today, I remember only one thing, the reason why I started this business. And that has helped me overcome every challenge in the last 9.5 years. And this will keep helping me overcome all the challenges which will come in the future for me, I'm sure. Okay, the reason for which I started was to give a good life to my family, to give the best life to my parents. I got married. I have a wife. I have a daughter, 4-year daughter. Now the reason is even more bigger and stronger. Earlier it was only for my parents. Now my family has grown bigger, and my reason is even more stronger. That any challenge which will come, I'm sure I will overcome it, and I will keep moving forward in the business. And as I have learned from my uplines, okay, every challenge comes with the opportunity, comes with the learning. And if whatever stage of the business, you have 1 month, your 1 day, your first day, you're 1 month in the business, you are 1 year in the business, you're 4 or 5 years in the business. If anything I can share from my journey, if I can help you with this, the challenges will come. And whatever stage you are at right now in your journey, if you will not learn from the challenge which is coming to you, you will not grow from it. Okay? If you want to move to the next step, if you want to the next stage in the business, then you have to learn what this challenge is trying to teach you. Okay? And I believe if challenge is coming to you, that means God, you are closer to God, because He is making you ready for the next level. He is making you ready to go to the next level in the business. Okay? And before I go, before I and leave, I just want to share. Okay, I'm coming here and sharing my journey on this. Okay, if challenges are not there in the journey, it's not worth it. What will you come? Let's say, imagine yourself coming here on any stage and sharing your journey, and what will you say? I started QNet, I made money, now I'm successful. It doesn't make sense. It's not worth it. I'm telling you, just embrace the challenges. Just embrace whatever's coming on your way, learn from it, grow from it, and this is the best business, this is the best opportunity, best company in the world. Okay, I know what I was before this business, and what this business, what my uplines, my brother Apar, my uplines, AVP Shipra, AVP Neeraj, AVP Onil, AVP Brijesh, AVP Yashu, and AVP Sharfun, VP Sachin Bhai, VP Dev, Chief, and the founders Datoshri and Japa. I know how much effort they are putting on us every day, every week, to ensure that we become better as a person, so that we can help as many people in our team become better in their life. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Only one thing before I leave: love. This is a good business, good company. This can change not only your life, but it will change life of people of your coming generations also. So don't waste it. Just take a decision, remember the reason why you started, and just stick to your decision, and I'm telling you, your life and your family's life will change forever. Thank you so much. Thank you.